say up a blood clot, New York, you did live first, and just because you fuck off a little boy up there, then deport you and send you a yard. You work on your case until you're winning and whatever batty money you spend. When you got a yard and a suck off the little old man cocky.
Blingonaires, I know that you love me, and I know that Bling has loved me. But what if you really love me, Blingonaires, can you do something for me? All I'm asking you to do for me, Blingonaires, if you love me, I'm asking the Blingonaires and the Royal, I'm asking the Blingonaires and Bling to denounce me. I'm asking you guys to step aside Beauty Bling and our brand. I'm asking Beauty Bling and our brand and the royal family to understand that I am going to step down off of my position as a member of a host beside Bling. I am stepping down, and I sure know you guys understand until we sort out all of this thing. So just want you to know Bling has a fight for me, and Bling has still a fight for me, but I want Blingers to step away, because here I want Blingers to step away. Everybody realize say them turn against and them beat, and the Blingonaires say them a beat. The intention of them say them a bring me down, and as can to them win. But when me I try to tell the family them do, me no want Blingers go through this beating, because I understand it, I'm been through it, and me no want Blingers to go through it with our family, because at the same time you have people where want Blingers position and want fight against the throne where we put our pan. So me want she remain the queen of TikTok. Me no want them use it and beat her. Me no want them use it and bring her down, because we're there in a war. So me just want the Blingonaires and the royal family to understand that me a step aside away from Blingers until I come out with what you guys waiting for. Where you say, Bling?
Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Me understand you have to do what you have to do. So just go and hold the faith and do what you have to do. But seriously,
I want the people them follow my page. Yeah. Them I keep on I take down my page. Me still I do my show. Me still I come out. I'm not nervous. I'm good. I'm okay. But let me just say one thing. Big Pussy Spice, Grace Almenton. You couldn't show me the DNA. You can't come show me a jacket, so you go for man, bitch. And me and you in this like craving here. Bitch, let me send you a message. I want you understand this dirty, boring girl. Me. Nado Smith, I go pray. That's all I have to tell you. I pray. Bling, me not have no platform right now, because at the end of the day, I'm going to suck out Spice big pussy. DNA. I know she can't come with DNA, but your blood clot bring man come with pedify. Where is the DNA? I can't see that. But because you can't prove the DNA, you come with an allegation. I love all of this. Because you know what? God not sleep. Bling, I am exiting off your platform. Remain the queen until me clear my name.
Thank you, Basti. Big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
One love. Love yourself.
Go big fella.
Attention, royal family. I'm seeking a minimum of $150,000 to help me with all these legal fees. The money is to file lawsuit and all the bloggers and people in the media, and it is going to be $150,000 because we have a lot of people to sue. So I'm asking for donation for the lawsuit. Whoever donate will get back a percentage as gift or lion. This is RT Boss. I need your help, just like I help Spice, and I help you guys. Show them that the same spirituality helps Spice help you.
You hear that out of the ass's mouth.
Yeah.
Payment method is at the upper left. We have Cash App, PayPal, and Zelle. And this page is here. If you have to send any gift, you can send it. Just send a small gift and they like donuts and stuff to this page just to keep the live festive. You can run the tops.
Obi a man get locked up and need help to get bail. RT Boss, oh you a Obi a man and get locked up, brother? Oh yeah, who be a man and can put dopey pan people and take dopey pan people and give people good luck for boss. Give man and woman good luck for have relationship. Give people good luck for get visa. And you get locked up, brother. So how you could have do OB if you take people out of jail and can't take for yourself out of jail? We never do some OB or some black magic or something, whatever you do, to help all those people who you help, brother. Fi no get for yourself out of jail, brother. Eh? Me can't understand how no say no OB a man and people disrespect no and tell no all different that's all police take no lock no up now and no can't take for no self out of jail. You see for God is everything? Uno see for God is everything? God is the man. God is the man. So that these things human, me I tell you no say this is just a simple example. Me always I wonder how someone who are obia people and when you not get in a trouble are people who are not obia people who no want to help you no. Cause now you need help to get bail, you need help with this, you need help with that. And you are obia man. You know if you call couple of you dopey them or call couple something and make couple weird noise and look sit now and make the dopey they help you and free you up. You should furthermore you should even end up in a jail. You get to me and say, cause you be a man and be a man help people out of jail and help people not to go to jail and be a man give people guard rings so bullet can't do them nothing and police can't find them. You know see be a man and do things make all machine can't chat man. So when you know use your be a do them great things there, that's you don't have to get locked up, brother. Yeah? Wow, me just tell a man say you hear me. You hear me, no allow the be a thing alone here, sir. You pray to God. You deal with God and just live life and work for what you want, brother, and just do good. That's all I can say. So if you don't want to hate me or try take my life because me I tell you no good things, no I fool no business that me left all on to God. I just so they say there, you know. And when Rasta King talk no found with Bex and feel a way, but it's just life, you know. And me don't give my life to God already. So you can't take it from him. I just say go, you no found no like me for the truth.
Why the fuck my queen left gone over careless blood clot dwelling like that with a batty man, a girl we sell pussy, think hole blinger, nasty hole blinger, infected all this.
Yo, RG boss, fuck blinger, I know.
You see when you hear me a beat?
Yeah.
Don't you speak?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me tell you this RT and the whole I don't know what they in another little box the last night. Grace and Milton, I am very fucking upset when you grace your blood clot presence over there. Because them that do a poop up blood clot, crowbait, nasty yard there where we not go. RT, where is your blood clot, mama? I eat first me want to talk about because Grace always a come talk about pretty. Not talk about not what me talk about. Grace, you make it pass this or no. RT, you say you're rich where your mama live. Go show a TikTok. Make you we see your mama yard today. Go and go take a picture of the blood clot room where your mama is sleeping. A Grace me now hold me mouth. Go and go take up your mama off of the blood clot ground where she asleep. You remember the wholesale where you fuck for Jamaica suckled like dog. Remember say up a blood clot New York you did live first and just because you fuck off a little boy up there. Then deport you and send you a yard. You work for your case until you're winning and whatever batty money you spend. When you got a yard and a suck off the little old man cocky, forget you the little wholesale where you use to go blood clot friend up Grace. Remember say your batty money you use and Grace blood clot car wheel. You go around now with your blood clot suckled money and you tell her say you can buy her house and blood clot cow fat and you can full out her house with grocery and you bring blood clot Thanksgiving and you bring Christmas dinner and your mama hungry like a blood clot dog. Why you never go feed your hungry blood clot mama was sleep on ground? Your mama catch all pneumonia, blood clot corona because of the ground where she a blood clot sleep on and say you rich. Remember say Grace mama live in a good house, no man. Remember say Grace mama travel foreign, no man. Remember say your mama have a blood clot thing. You couldn't face Grace Hamilton last night. The 3 blood clot here just swing on her name like swing song and blood clot Caesar. Big pussy nasty boy. And one time she blood clot come for one life where you're there. You tell the big sour sap fish, big stink hole, frothy pussy girl, to cut her off because you can't blood clot face me queen. You talk and you talk and you talk. And one time the woman reach on your blood clot feet. You're silent like the peasant where your blood clot be. When you cut off me queen, you start run off your suck pussy and body mouth. You lick out so much body hole and suck so much wood. You never want Grace can't tell the whole world, but she told me. Remember who they are suck for every blood clot thing where you have. You chisel down the blood clot man where you fuck you and turn it in a girl. Then you can tell the whole world so that is your wife. Move your transvestite suck with deep body hole suck cock blood clot and go from your so body boy. Slam man for slam a shot in your blood clot face. Boy, you walk up there, you can't give yourself a career. You swing pan Grace name to get highlight and clout. And all know you can't blood clot but have a name for yourself.
That's it for now, dancehall gang. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share. See you next time.